let's get into the tutorial right away. First move, exactly what I was doing, just like this. We're gonna go pop, pop. We're just simply grooving, getting our body activated and telling our brain, let's dance, let's have fun. That's pretty much it. 8 times, cool? Now we're gonna put our hands right in the fist like so. We're gonna take our right shoulder. You can do left if that's more comfortable for you, but I'm doing my right. So we're gonna simply take our shoulder in front and front. We're rolling it. As we do that, we're gonna step our foot, cool? We're gonna go step forward and step forward. Nice, you're already here. You're gonna put our hands right here in the front and you're gonna push it out, push it out, push it out, push it out. Perfect. As you do that, you're gonna bend your knees and you're gonna pop, pop. Now you can pop your hips, pop your chest, pop your hands, pop your chin, whatever you want, okay? So just let it flow with your body. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna take a 1 step back with our opposite hand up and pop and switch and do the same thing again, opposite side, cool? So we're gonna go pop. This is kind of like fun old school move, you know what I mean? But if you want, you can just go simply right and left too. That's absolutely fine, okay? So we're gonna go boom, boom. Now from here, we're gonna go rolling. It's kind of like you're rowing a boat 4 times. You're stepping 4, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Cool? From side, we're coming to the front. Now, if you want, just as an option, you can do row, row, clap, clap. Your choice. You can do 2 claps or 4, 2 rows, 2 claps, or 4 rows, whatever you want. Sorry, don't mean to confuse you. All right, here we go. We gotta go boom, a boom, a boom, a boom. You're gonna go open and hold to the right, strong. Open and swing to the left, strong. Then we're gonna go take the same fist to roll it into your body, roll that body again, 2 slow, 4 fast. We're gonna go up and up and up, up. That's a 4 fast. Cool, we got it? Kind of, let's put it together from right here, because I talked a lot at that time, so I feel like I may have lost you. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, back it up, and 1, 2, no, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and a 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, we got it that much. Now we're gonna go 4 up fast, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Cool. On 5, we're gonna step out strong with our hands down. Whoo. Cool. If you want, you can do cute pose, whatever. You can make it strong, okay? So, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side facing to the back. So you're gonna take the right leg, same leg that I stepped out. You're gonna take the same leg and face back. Cool. From here, we're gonna bend our knees 1 knee at a time, okay? So your hands are here, you're gonna knee, cock, 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 switch 1 knee at a time, cool? Your hands can be free. This move right here, I created it just for you to feel free, to feel like you are dancing with freedom. So we're gonna do all of that facing to the back. Remember, we went ha and ha. Now we're gonna go knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want with your hands. We got it? Now, to come forward, we're simply gonna take step, 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 step 8 times, and your shoulder is going front, front, front. Kind of like you're pushing something away from your shoulder, or pushing it forward, cool? Now, if you wanna make it a little bit more dynamic, you can go down, up, your choice, cool? So, as we come here, we're here to the front, put our hands down or make it free, whatever you want. 4 body rolls. 2 to the right, 2 to the left. So we need 4 together. Cool, we got it? After that, we're gonna go step, touch. This is the most foundational step, most frequently used step in any dance. It's step, touch. Cool. As you do step, touch, your hands are going up, down, a step, a touch. Up, down, a step, touch. Nice. Can we do everything from the top that we just learned 1 time, and then we'll add on? We're almost done, I promise. Okay, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a pop, 6, 7, 8, you back it up, and a 3, 4 and a front, 6 and a clap, and a 1, 2 and a 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8, go up, and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, go strong, 6, 7, 8, go party, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, shoulders, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, roll it, 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, what's the last step? Step, touch, step, touch. See, I forget. 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we did it. Going back to the groove that we learned in the beginning, how we started the dance. This is 8 times, cool? And then we're gonna cross like so. We're gonna bend our knees and we're gonna bounce our knees. As you do that, you're gonna take your hands up. I also like to kind of take my chin up. It kind of helps me, you know what I mean? So we're gonna bounce it. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back, repeat. See, I told you it was pretty easy. 1, 2, pop, 3, 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. Go 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Final step to close. You're gonna step forward with the strong. Take your hands up and push it down. Now, if you're a guy, you can go ahead and make it strong and pose. Whatever you want, you know what I mean? You're gonna get 4 chances to do fun, free poses. Or put your hands down if you don't know what to do. So we're gonna go up, put your hands down, take that same leg back up 1 step, put your hands down, 1 step forward, put your hands down, 1 step forward, and put your hands down. That's it. Doesn't matter which leg you start with and which leg you take back, okay? So cool, that's 4 steps and we're finishing it here. But, before the end of the song or at the end of the song, can we all please freestyle? Like I just dance together. Doesn't matter what step you do. You can use the steps that you just learned, or you can just do whatever you want. Let your body dance for free. Okay, so let's take it all the way from the top with music. Ready? Let me start the music. Okay, here we go. The song is called Dance This Night Away. So you see what I mean? It's kind of fun. So as soon as the music starts, you're going to start grooving. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see